Okay, so we're going to use what we've learned about calculating the circumference of a circle to try and work out how fast the moon orbits the Earth in kilometers per second. Okay, so first things first, we need to make sure we've got some essential information. Okay, so the essential information that we need is the fact that the distance, all right, from the Earth to the moon is, and I'll write this in, we'll write it in here, is 384,400 kilometers. Okay, 384,400 kilometers. All right, so basically, all right, that's the radius. All right, so this is the radius. So if we plug that into our calculator, right, we should be able to work out how far the moon travels when it orbits the Earth. Okay, so we know that to work out the circumference, we're going to do 2 times pi, and we're going to then multiply that by 384,400. There we go, and we press enter. And there's our answer. Now, we'll do our answers to one decimal place, okay? So, I'm going to write in here what that is, that's 2,415,256.4, sorry, that's not a very good point, 0.4 kilometers. All right, that's how far it travels in one orbit. Okay, now we need to know another essential piece of information now. So the second essential piece of information is, all right, how long does it take for the moon to do one full orbit of the Earth? Okay, well, it takes 27.32 days. All right, so I'm going to divide my answer, divide that by 27.32. Okay, 27.32. Equals 88,406.2 kilometers. So that's how far it travels in one day. Okay, so in one day, it's going to travel, and let's write that in, it's going to travel 88,406.2 kilometers. So in one day, it's going to travel 88,406.2 kilometers. Happy days. Now, we wanted to work out how far it goes in a second. All right, so that's how far it goes in a day. So if I divide that by 24, that tells me how far it goes in an hour. So in an hour, it goes 3,683.6 kilometers. All right, so that's how far it goes in an hour. Now we need to work out the second. So I'm going to divide this result by 60 equals. And that tells me that in a minute, okay, it goes 61.4 kilometers. Okay, so the moon in 1 minute travels 61.4 kilometers. Okay, so now we've got a minute. If we divide it by 60 again, all right, that tells us that in 1 second, the moon will travel 1.0 kilometers. Okay, so the moon travels 1 kilometer a second. All right, now what I want you to do is, now we've worked that out using the math, check Google and see if your answer is close. All right, let's see how close we've come to calculating how fast the moon orbits the Earth in kilometers per second. All right, thank you.